On the bottom half, there seems to be more buttons and controls kind of stuff, but I can't get to them with this cover on. On the bottom, but I can't get... Right, let's see. Most of these things here are just lights, but on the bottom half, they're protected. That means the witch didn't want me using them. I'm taking this as a good sign. No. I do want to try and get the cover off, but I don't really know how to use this telekinesis yet. I could end up breaking the machine. Aha! This might be pointy enough to get under the cover and pry it off. Let's see. Ah, Mr. Unicorn's horn! It got all bent and broken. Guess I don't really need it anymore. Okay, let's see here. Buttons, buttons, buttons. None of them seem to have any indication about what they are or what they do. Fingers crossed, I guess.
Anna? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. But look, Ben, that bit there, that's the glowing bit. Those blue light bits seem to be glowing more now that it's disconnected, too. So, maybe if I try it now...
Ah, Anna, that sounds good. About it glowing and everything. But I'm not so sure you should pick that up.
It does seem rather... sparky, doesn't it? Maybe there's something I can use to pick it up safely, though. Not with my bare hands, no. I should try to find something that will make it safer to pick up. Ah, yes! This rubber should make it safe to pick up. I hope. I have to say, even after doing all that, even if I can pick it up, should I really be putting something like this on my head? Grandpa, I know he'd tell me not to ever do something as crazy as this. If it means getting back to him, though, I have to try. Here goes nothing, I suppose. Oh, my head. I feel like my brain just turned upside down.
Anna? Are you all right? Did it work?
Anna? What was that light just then?
You see...
What are you doing in there, child?
I was just... What do I say?
Anna, don't you turn your back on me. I don't know what you're up to in there, but remember this. I'm watching you. I can assure you, little girl, whatever you are up to, you will regret it.
No, even if I wanted to try and move it, it's much too high for me. That's it! If I can tamper with the speaker, maybe gently move the camera, then she might not be able to see or hear me escape. Alright, here goes nothing. Uh-oh. That was a little more than I intended.
Oh no! Oh no! She's gonna be so mad at us, Anna.
This time, Ben, you're very right about that. I think I see her now.
She's coming, Anna! She's coming!
It's too late to worry about her now. We have to get out of here, quick!
Oh, yes, Anna. Your power. Hurry!
No time for talk. We've got to get out of... I think I've done enough damage to it. No time for that. We've got... Even if I did break the window, I think I'll try getting through the door first. All right, it's time to go, Ben. Do you need some help getting up?
Oh, no, I can do this. Oh dear.
That's it, Ben. You've got it.
Oh boy, I did it! I really did!
Okay. Okay, quick, we need to see if you can walk so we can get going.
Oh yes, let me see.
Well, there you go. He really did do it. All right, Grandpa, I'm coming. No time for that. We've got to get out of here. A hat. Maybe a magic hat? I wonder if the witch uses it for any of her spells. No time for that. We've got to get out of here. Oh dear. I think it broke off after I blew up the speaker. Poison? What's that doing there? More importantly, what's it doing there next to my dishes? I really have to get out of this place. No time for that. 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 No time for that.
Ah!
Oh, it's just a painting. What are you doing, Ben?
I'm hiding. It's too scary down here. Ah! What now? I can't look. I can't.
My nose.
Oh dear.
Curse you, Anna.
Ben, I'm sorry. That didn't quite go the way I planned.
That's okay, Anna. At least now the witch is locked out downstairs.
Yeah, I suppose so. Although now she's blocking the exit. So, now what do we do?
I don't know. Give up, maybe?
No, we've come this far, Ben, and, well, we're bound to find another way out, right?
Right. Well, if you say so.
All right. I'm going to go see what I can find. You just sit tight. I'll be right back. Blah. I don't mean to be, but I think I... A hat. Maybe a magic hat? I wonder if the way...
Open this door right now.
Not not very interesting. There's only a long line of string in here. It looks pretty closed at the moment. Oh, interesting. A heart-shaped key. And a pretty orb thing. Jeez, this paperweight is heavier than it looks. Jeez, this paper... I'm sure I've seen this heart symbol. Aw, poor guy looks tired. Has the mean old witch not given you a bed, huh? Hey, little kitty. Do you think I can have a look at that necklace of yours? I'll take that as a no then, huh? Ah, hello.
You open this door right now.
Well, I would like to. It's just...
Just nothing. Open it now, child.
Well, there were some things I wanted to ask you, and it's just that you seem a little angry at the moment, too.
Oh, me? No. I'm not angry. I'm just, concerned. Yes, concerned. You've had quite a big day, what with all these exercises and escape plans.
Let's make a deal first.
What? What deal?
If I open this door, then you have to let me go without using any magic on me.
Yes, of course. Open the door, child. Come on.
I don't know. I don't think you're telling the truth.
Open this door right now. I swear, child, you will pay. Oh, how you will pay. Once I'm done with you, I'll pick you limb from limb and eat you for dinner.
Whoa. Eat me?
Oh. Oh. Did I say eat? No, I didn't mean eat.
Now I'm definitely not opening the door.
Just let's talk. Yes? That's what you want? Well, come on then.
Why do you need to keep me here? Why do you need me to do this
telekinesis?
Yeah. I mean, you already have your spells and magic.
Pah! Ignorant fool.
Huh?
Well, it's because... Oh, company. Yes, company. It gets lonely around here. Or something, rather.
But you hate my company.
Well, it's none of your business.
Since I'm trapped here, it kind of is. Why do you have a man chained up in here?
What? What are you talking about?
There's a man chained to the wall in this room. He's been here a while by the looks of it.
Oh, him. Yes, him. They both had it coming. Up to no good, neither of them.
You're one to talk.
I'm growing tired of talking.
That's enough talking for now.
Then open the door.
Let me think about it.
Ugh.
This seems to be here for the person chained up. Why it's there, though, and what it's draining, I do not want to know. Whatever it is, though, it's left a lot of smelly mold on the inside of the drain. Oh my, Poor fellow. The witch's evil knows no bounds. Once upon a time, that might have been an interesting conversation. These days, though, I think that conversation would be a little one-sided. Maybe this isn't the right approach. I should try something else. It looks like this is the pipe running down from the sink upstairs. There's a section of pipe here that looks pretty loose. I don't really see a reason to mess with it right now, though. The lock is thick, and the painting is too close to the wall. I guess if I'm going to open this, I think I'll need to find the key. Strange. It seems to be stuck down somehow. That's a picture of the witch, the one who kidnapped me. Hold on a second. I think I see something. Oh, a secret lock. Something really important must be behind here. The lock is thick, and the painting is... I guess if I'm going to open this, I think I'll...
Anna.
Hello? Is someone there?
Anna. Anna. Over here.
Ah!
Wait. I'm sorry. Please, just hold on a second.
Okay, look. Why don't you hold on a second? So far, I've been kidnapped, experimented on, talked to by a giant teddy bear, and now I'm being haunted?
No. I mean, I didn't mean to scare you, you see. I couldn't help but hear what happened with you and Winfrieda earlier, and well, I think I can help you.
Help me?
Yes, help you, escape. But, well, if you don't want me around, then,
Wait! I'm sorry. Please come back. You have to understand, I've never seen a ghost before.
It's okay. It's been a while since I've seen a living person, too. The name's Joringel. Pleased to meet you, Anna.
Who's Winfrieda? Is that what the old witch's name is?
Winnie. Well, that's what we all called her. Yes. Me and Winnie go a long way back. Well, back to our days in school, actually.
School? Really?
The Vogt School of Witchcraft. Winnie, myself, and my wife Jorinde. We all attended. When we were all still kids, of course.
So, you say you know how to escape?
Oh, yes, it's quite simple, really. There's a secret passageway, you see, the entrance of which is in this very room. There's a button to open the passageway kept behind that painting there.
Oh, wow! That's great! That is simple.
Only Winfrieda keeps it locked. But it could be worse, right? I mean, at least the key is in the tower.
Okay, that's good, right?
Normally, yes. But, the rat took it. You couldn't have gotten too far with it. I'm sure you can find him.
How did you end up here?
I came here looking for my wife, Jorinde. She went out to the market one day and never returned. When I went looking, a man on the path mentioned seeing someone. An old woman dragging a large sack here into these woods.
Oh my. Yoringo? That's horrible.
I searched the woods high and low, but found nothing. Eventually, I was attacked. I blacked out. And when I came to, I was, well, here. Chained to this wall.
I'm so sorry, Yoringo. Grandpa would warn me about bad people, but this... I never imagined.
Well, your grandpa's right, Anna. It's a dangerous world. You shouldn't trust too many people out here.
You went to school together? But she's so old.
You know, Winnie should only be a few years older than me. Not twice my age like like she seems to be.
I don't understand. What could have happened to her?
I really can't say. A spell gone wrong, maybe? Who knows? I left the school a long time ago. With Yorinde, you see. One day, Yorinde had it in her head that she wanted to leave. I don't know why.
Come with me, Yoringo.
Believe me, I'd love to, but I can't. My soul, it's trapped here.
Trapped?
Yes, by Winfrieda. Look, I'll show you.
Oh, I see.
It's okay. I'm probably just going to be stuck here for, well, eternity, I guess.
I better get back to looking around. Try and find this rat and get the key back.
All right, Anna. I'll be here if you need anything.
I suppose this is here to wash the dishes with. So far, though, it seems every dish I've used is just stacked up there. All right, tap's working. Wait, I think I can see something down inside the sink's drain. I think it's... Ew. It's just some old soggy hair. Must be the witch's. Gross. No, the sink drain is too small to fit my hand in. Well, although that might get the hair out, it also might flood the building, which wouldn't be very helpful. Poison? More importantly, no. Hi, Mr. Rat, do you think you could drop me down that key of yours? I'm not sure I'm going to get very far doing this. I don't want to hurt the poor guy. No, I refuse to hurt anyone else for my own sake. Oh, that's a bit disappointing. There's just an old recorder in here, which doesn't seem to work. Oh well. It's usually meant to record what you say into it. Only, it seems like the microphone and the speaker in it are both broken. That sure is a long piece of string. Jeez, this paperweight is heavier than it looks. I'll I'll just leave it as it is. Hi, Ben.
Hello, Anna. How are you?
So, any ideas?
Well, couldn't we just kinda explode the wall away and just run for it? Run for our lives.
Ben, I'm not sure that's the best idea. I don't think it's exactly strong enough to just blow away walls.
Oh,
And if the witch sees us escaping, we're done for. I think if we're going to get away from here, we need to be more careful. Find some way that's quiet, without her noticing us. I found someone to help us. His name's Yoringel, and he knows a secret way out. I was just downstairs when he suddenly appeared and told me about it.
oh, wow. That's really good. But Anna, what do you mean by suddenly appeared?
Well, you see, he's a ghost.
Oh,
But it's okay, Ben, it's okay. He's a good ghost, and he's stuck downstairs. He won't bother you, I promise.
oh, okay. Whew. Yeah, that is good.
Ben, what if we can't get away? In the end, we might not be able to escape the witch.
Yeah, I did think about that. I just would feel bad for you. With your grandpa and all. Your grandpa is sick?
Yeah, I don't even know what it is. It was so strange. One day he was perfectly fine. He was even working with the crops. Then the next morning he just couldn't get up.
Oh my. I'm so sorry, Anna. We'll find a way out and find a cure.
I better keep looking around.
Okay, Anna. Good luck.